We are now being joined by Shashank Anand. He's the Inspector General of the BSF Jammu Frontier. Sir, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India Today and congratulations on the success of Operation Sindoor. Sir, can you just share some details about the role that was played by the BSF during Operation Sindoor?
So thank you. BSF was deployed all throughout the Indo-Pakistan border, right from Kashmir to Bhuj in Gujarat. And our brave troops, they kept their surveillance of the highest order, and they kept watching the activities from the other side. When unprovoked cross-border firing was resorted to by Pakistan in the Jammu sector, BSF was already prepared for it, and we have been able to destroy many of their posts. We had also, in a pre-organized manner, also mapped some of the terror launch pads that are situated close to the IB in the Sialkot district of Pakistan across Jammu. And on the eve of this cross-border firing, BSF was able to destroy these terrorist launch pads using our special weapon systems.
How many Pakistani posts and how many terror launch pads were decimated, destroyed by the BSF during Operation Sindoor?
So we were able to destroy over 70 Pakistani Rangers posts situated close to the IB. Heavy damage has been inflicted on not just the posts, but also on their surveillance equipment, on their lines of transport and logistics. And at the same time, as I said, we have also targeted 3 terror launch pads that were situated close to the IB.
How many terrorists were neutralized during this operation?
The intelligence inputs that we were getting suggested that a lot of terrorist movement was seen at these launch pads. And while this assessment is still being made as to the number of terrorists who have actually killed, and I believe a strong message has been sent to Pakistan to desist from such kind of activities.
Sir, we understand that Operation Sindoor is not over yet. Only a pause button has been pressed. Sir, is there threat, any inputs that you have received that there could be attempts from Pakistan to violate ceasefire or to indulge in infiltration? Are there any reports that Pakistan may push terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir ahead of the Amarnath Yatra?
Well, absolutely. The operation, though, is still on. And as I said, this adversary cannot be trusted. We cannot let our guard down. And here in Jammu, we in the Border Security Force, we are maintaining the highest possible alert at the border. We also know that in the months to come, we have the important Amarnath Yatra that will be organized by the Jammu Kashmir administration, and we would like maximum participation from the Indian citizens in this yatra. So the BSF, along with the administration, the Indian Army, the police and the CRPF, as also the intelligence agencies, we are maintaining a very close coordination with all the stakeholders, and we will ensure that the yatra progresses without any untoward incident, and the people are able to achieve the darshan in a peaceful manner.
What about the vulnerable points along the India-Pakistan international border? Because in the recent past also, if we go into last 2-3 years, there have been infiltration attempts by Pakistan, and some infiltration attempts, may have, Pakistan may have succeeded in some infiltration attempts. So have those vulnerable points been identified? And there is, there are also reports from time to time that Pakistani terrorists, are digging tunnels with the help of Pakistani Rangers. Have those tunnels been detected? What kind of measures are being taken?
So this is of great importance to us, the target of zero infiltration that has been given to us by the government, and BSF is prepared to take this target head on. As far as infiltration is concerned, the adversary uses multiple ways to try and infiltrate the international boundary, and BSF with its manpower deployment, as also active use of modern technology, has been able to identify not just certain vulnerable areas, but also areas where the infiltration may have attempted by the adversaries. As I speak, a lot of thrust is being put on modern technology. We have a comprehensive integrated border management system which will soon be rolled out all across the entire Jammu frontier, and that will really enable us to forestall any such attempt of infiltration from the terrorists.